Welcome to Techno Learning. In this video you're gonna learn how to fill text form for Udemy. So here you have to note down your instructor ID, then click on begin submission, then again you have to click on begin. Okay, so what next you have to do is to choose your instructor type, that is by default individual. Then you have to select either you are a US individual or not. Here you have to provide that instructor ID that we have seen in the previous page. Okay, if you have forgotten it, then please move to the previous page and get your instructor ID from that message. Okay, here you have to provide your date of birth, and you can see that it's a calendar, so you can choose year and then month and then finally the date. But the most important thing is instructor ID that you get when you go back to the previous page if you have forgotten it. Okay, and now you have to click on text identification number, and if you don't have US TIN type, then you have to select TIN not applicable. Then foreign country is India, and here you have to fill your PAN card number. Yes, PAN card number you have to fill out, and again you have to provide your residence address here, like house number, road name, city or town, then state, and you have to also provide zip and postal code here. Again you have to give the country of residence, that is India, and then select no to all these three boxes. And here you have to give your contact details such as email ID and two phone numbers. First phone number will be treated as primary phone number, and the second phone number will be treated as alternate phone number. Okay, so here I have entered all these things details, and then I have to click on I agree to the tax and terms, then click on continue. Okay, so here we also have to wait for fewer moments to process this, and then we have to select this W8BEN form, then click on continue. It is used by non-US individual to certify. Okay, and then you have to select you are not a US resident, and then all these things you have to select according to you, then continue. Here you have to provide the PAN card number again. Okay, and then you have to click on the continue, and here you have to choose like country of residence, and then click on continue. Okay, so now special rates and conditions is the submission being made to the claim treaty benefits on item not covered by representation made above. Okay, so it is for special withholding rates and conditions that may apply to your country or not. And if you want to read it within detail, then you can click on this yellow icon, then you can search for the glossary, and also you can scroll it to read the full article. Okay, I'm closing it, and here I have to choose no, and then I have to go for continue. Okay, so let me continue it again. Now what I have to do is to select all these check boxes and make sure you read it very carefully while checking out the individual box, because you are giving your consent here, and that's the important thing. So I am reading and selecting it. Okay, and again what you have to do is to click on continue. Okay, so now you have to provide your name and your confirmation code that has been sent to your email address. So here I am on my email, and you can see that I have received an email from Udemy, and in with the code is this. So I will be copying this and move back to the Udemy site. Here I will be just pasting this code, and then just selecting these check boxes, then signed again, and here I have to provide the code once again. Okay, and then click on this confirm and submit electronically. Okay, here you can see that there is one more declarations and you have to read out carefully. Okay, then give your consent. Okay, and you can choose either you want to give it or not, but if you have read it carefully, then you can choose. Okay, now your withholding certification submission is in process. You can download the PDF, and it is saying that thank you for completing. So I will be downloading it and showing you that W8BEN form that I have filled out electronically. So here you can see that all the details that I have filled out within that form are shown here. Okay, so it is digitally signed and everything is okay, but it is now in process and you will be receiving a mail soon. Okay, so now this is the end of this video.